the Art Sarcasm family. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be interesting, because we are going to take a challenge of creating an art piece with just black pencil and a black pen. So, let's jump into it. Here I have already drawn a rough sketch of a train coming from a tunnel. Now our challenge is to make it lively with the pen and a pencil. Now, I will slowly start to darken the sketch with the pen. I am just drawing with free hand, because it will give a more natural look to the drawing. Just draw, draw and draw. Keep darkening the lines with free hand. Go easy. Ding dong ding, wait, let's do a magic. Ta-da, here we go. All set in one go. Now you can see a train coming out of a tunnel. Now we will still keep on darkening the lines and will highlight some areas more than the other. This will create a more lively image. Because it's dark in tunnel, so we will do shading in such way that it appears all dark. Here dark, there dark, everywhere dark, makes our drawing stand out and spark. Now we will draw some pebbles in the between the track. As you can see, it's a very long process. But we will keep on doing, and definitely finish this drawing. Don't get tired, my friend. Just keep on doing. Add all the little details you think, which should be drawn. Fast and forward. Here my hands got superpower and I suddenly started doing fast. I am doing the walls, then train, then trees, then grass and whatnot. Darken and add details on each and everything. Just keep on doing and keep drawing. I am also using pencil to shade some of the areas. Such kind of drawing or sketches needs patience. You just have to keep on drawing, unless you feel satisfied. I am swiping the pen and pencil to add little details. And I am just making myself satisfied with this sketch. Look at that. This is how the end result has turned out. Hit the like button if you want to see more such challenges. And do not forget to share the video and subscribe the channel.